So the focus of my firm, involves family law and criminal defense. With criminal defense, I do both adult and juvenile law.
Right.
And I've seen an increase in juvenile law, especially in the area of bullying.
Mm-hmm. Tell us about this thing of bullying. It bothers me, and it should, I think.
Okay. The area I've thought to speak of today would be cyberbullying, and most schools have written policies and procedures regarding how bullying is treated on and off school property. They also have a reporting procedure as well as an investigation procedure. And I did pull one of the local definitions from our school system, and just to give you a quick synopsis, cyberbullying, by their definition, means bullying through the use of technology or any electronic communication.
So it could be email.
Could be anything.
Could be texting.
Could be texting.
Wow. Steve,
But-
I'm sorry.
But one of the things that's very important about bullying is
Yes.
that it has to be more than an individual incident. So in other words, a
series
separate
or a trend?
series, correct.
So if I just pick on Steve once, it's an isolated situation.
It doesn't meet the definition of bullying, correct?
Right.
If it's just a
Just me being a
one-time.
jerk.
Yeah.
The problem is with bullying and reporting is that it takes into account a wide variety of circumstances. So I may feel as though you're bullying me, where you may not likewise feel that way.
She deserved it. Right? I'm not saying it, I am trying to bring humor into it. I mean, in my work, I see bullying, I think, every single week, especially in family businesses. That family members have a different code of work and that they're cyber bullying each other within the work environment, that there's usually a family member that's doing it. And they're getting away with it because that's their family style of communication.
So what we're really trying to focus on today
Is
is kids, right, in the school
Got it,
system.
but I'm
Because
just
I think
telling you I see
adults
it
are
also.
held to a higher standard as well. So there's certain things that we may tolerate more so than a child. The other thing is you have to look at the individual child. Let's just take a 8th grader. An
Call him
average-
Steve.
Call him Steve. Steve, an average 8th grader, may put up with some amount of horsing around, as we used to call it, a little bit
It's
of
a way of
harassment.
bonding and not wanting to create trouble, right?
Something to that effect, correct. However, if Steve has some learning issues, has some social skills issues, then Steve may get a lot more protection from the school and may be viewed very differently.
Like a special need?